Have you ever wondered what comes with your machine after you purchase it? Well, I'm John from Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to answer that question. All of our vapor honing machines are fully assembled and shipped here in the United States. Before your machine is boxed up and shipped out, we test every vapor honing cabinet. We want to ensure that the device is in tip-top shape before it's shipped out. After it's tested and verified, our shipping coordinator takes your machine to the shipping area and prepares your personalized order. For example, if you decided to purchase an abrasive, the media would be placed in a bag, boxed up, and zip-tied to the leg of the device. Another note to mention, if you purchase a closed-loop system, we typically place it inside the cabinet. We also provide you with a media density cup, which measures your water to abrasive ratio, and an exhaust stack, which equalizes the pressure inside the cabinet. Lastly, all of our vapor honing machines come with a lifetime warranty with no depreciation. So that's what comes with your vapor blasting machine. If you have any questions, call our sales team at 828-202-5563. You can also check out our website at www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.